Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is schedulable apex. In that we are going to see cron expression, execution of schedule apex, advantage and disadvantage. Schedulable apex allows developers to schedule apex class to run at specific times. This feature is useful for automating runtime tasks that need to be performed periodically. Schedulable Apex is a valuable feature in Salesforce for automating runtime tasks and maintaining system efficiency. If we want to know the status of the job, we can write a SOQL on cron trigger object using job ID generated by system.schedulable method invocation. Any job that is schedulable in Salesforce will be registered with cron expression. Cron expression is basically a string of 7 fields separated by white spaces that represents a set of times, normally as a schedule to execute some routine. Cron expression: second, minute, hour, day month, month, day week, year. This is the format of cron expression. Schedule a job. Job name. It can be any unique string. Cron expression. Time at which job has to fire. Object. Object to the class which implemented schedulable interface should be passed as parameter. Stop scheduled jobs. How we are doing this? System.abort job. In bracket we are passing the job ID. This method will be used to stop jobs which are scheduled running. Pass ID of the job which we want to stop. Execution of schedule apex. Demo schedulable ds equals to new demo schedulable string cron expression. We are passing the values 0, 6, 6, 23, 12, question mark, 20, 20 as we had seen in the cron expression. String job ID equals to system.schedule sj schedule job, comma cron expression, then comma ds. Schedule apex class manually using declarative process, setup, build, develop apex classes, schedule apex. Step 1, choose apex class. Step 2, enter job name. Step 3, define time trigger. Step 4, save. Advantages of schedulable apex. Automated routine tasks. Schedulable apex automates a routine task, reducing the need for manual and ensuring that tasks are performed consistently and on time. Resource optimization. Scheduling resource intensive tasks during off-peak hours helps optimize resource usage and minimizes the impact on system performance. Flexibility. The flexibility to schedule jobs using cron expression allows precise control over when and how frequently tasks are executed. Maintenance of data hygiene. Regularly scheduled jobs can help maintain data hygiene by automatically cleaning up old or irrelevant records. Enhanced productivity. Automating repetitive tasks frees up time for employees to focus on more strategic activities, enhancing overall productivity. Disadvantages of schedule apex. Complexity. Setting up and managing schedulable jobs can add complexity to the system, especially if there are many jobs with different schedules. Governor limits. Scheduled apex jobs are subject to Salesforce governor limits, which can cause jobs to fail if these limits are exceeded. Debugging challenges. Debugging issues with scheduled jobs can be challenging because they run asynchronously and may not produce immediate feedback. Potential delays: if there are many scheduled jobs or if the Salesforce instance is under heavy load, there may be delays in the job execution. Job overlaps: if multiple jobs are scheduled to run at the same time, there could be overlaps or conflicts leading to potential resource. Example: let's discuss a scenario where schedulable Apex is used. Create a schedulable Apex class and schedule the job. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So as we need to write the code, so click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. So click on File, New, Apex class. Here we are taking the name schedulable demo. Click OK. Public class schedulable demo implements schedulable. Public void execute schedulable context query to find closed cases older than 1 year. List of case old cases equals to select id from case where status equals to closed and closed date is smaller than last n years 1. So delete the old cases. If old cases is not dot is empty, delete old cases. So click debug, open execute anonymous window. Schedule the job to run on the first day of every month at midnight. So string cron expression equals to 0 1 1 1 1 question mark and 2025. So this will be like this: second is 1, minute is 1, hour is 1, day month is 1, month 1, day week is question mark and year is 2025. System.schedule monthly data cleanup cron expression equals to new schedulable demo. Execute highlighted. So it's successfully executed. So click on jobs, schedulable jobs, open link in new tab. So now we are able to see that monthly data cleanup is submitted and next scheduled run will be this. Thank you.